If you like Mexican food, you're gonna love this recipe just like we did. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make super delicious taco bowl salads. They are super easy to make and requires minimal prep. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Now let's begin. To make this recipe, you'll need ground beef, onion, lettuce, bell pepper, cilantro, green onion, salsa, cheese, and spices. First, we're gonna make Parmesan cheese balls. For that, you're gonna use cheese and we're gonna work in batches of 2. You're gonna use half a cup of Parmesan cheese and spread it on the parchment paper to form nice circles. After, you're gonna bake it at 425 degrees for about 7 minutes or until it turns golden color. Next, you're gonna carefully, not to burn your fingers, flip it onto a bowl, upside down bowl, to form nice balls. And then you're gonna let it sit and cool off on top of the bowls. After it cools off, it'll be ready to be served. Now let's make the filling. For that, we're gonna use ground beef and onion. We're gonna saute it until the beef is cooked through for about 5-7 minutes. And next, we're gonna add bell peppers and salsa. You're using about 1 cup of salsa here, and spices. I'm using taco seasoning, Montreal steak spice, and salt. As always, the exact measurements for each ingredient are in the description down below. Saute vegetables for about a few minutes until everything's heated through, about 2-3 minutes. Next, you add cilantro and turn off the heat. Now we are ready to serve. On a plate, place your Parmesan cheese bowl. Next, add iceberg lettuce and our meat filling. Add avocado slices, cheese, and green onion, chopped green onion. And voila, taco salad bowls are ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. In the comments below, let me know what's your favorite Mexican food. Don't forget to check out my latest videos, roasted salmon with broccoli and potatoes, and Hawaiian barbecue chicken. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!